Hello again, everyone. This is Jessica with Advanced Care Chiropractic. I'm just stopping in to tell you another tip or trick or a treatment that you could do with these traveling months. Paired with the neck pillow trick that I showed you previously in another video, another treatment that we do offer in this office is dry needling. It's often confused with acupuncture, but it is different. The same filament needles are used in this situation. However, versus acupuncture working on energy points and trigger points, dry needling is going to focus on one local area of a muscle that causes discomfort. Multiple muscles at that. You can be treated in multiple areas. The intention of this is that essentially those filaments or small needles, like acupuncture filaments, will be inserted into the areas of discomfort that you are having. So for instance, if you have a bad shoulder, we would apply multiple filaments in that region. In that time, you would wait a little bit, allow the filaments to do their work in which they would be removed. The goal of this treatment essentially is a muscle reset. What we are doing is we are intercepting your pain receptors with those filaments and teaching your muscle how to react and respond appropriately instead of causing pain. With these treatments, it's one to multiple, very similar like massages where you have knots, things have to be worked out. It can take time depending on what you have going on. However, if you're finding that, after traveling, you're noticing more discomfort, a little bit more pressure in particular areas, dry needling is a wonderful option to try to reset those problemed muscles to get them to respond and act appropriately to pain, most importantly. It's a fantastic treatment for most patients. It's not specific towards any ailment. But if you are noticing discomfort, it is a wonderful alternative therapy to try to get some pressure and get some pain out of those specific areas. And we're always accepting new patients, so please, by all means, stop by and visit us. We'd love to explain more of it further to you, and we'd love to get you in here to do some dry needling. I hope you'll have a great day.